Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a smoke effect background using a smoky brush. Please keep on watching. I have selected an image here, so what I'm going to do is apply the quick selection tool. I have a tutorial on how to use the quick selection tool for those that are new to the tool. Link is below. So select the quick selection tool and drag your mouse over the areas you want to outline. If are areas which are difficult to precise the outline, zoom in using Ctrl and plus. Here I am zooming in to perfect the selection. It's really easy to outline using the quick selection tool and it's quite precise. Now right click and select refine edge. Then set the feather radius to 0.1 and click OK. Press Ctrl and 0 to zoom out. Then go to select inverse or shift Ctrl I to outline the background. Now choose a background color for the smoke effect. I'm going for purple. Then to clear the background, go to edit, clear, which will delete the background. Then use Ctrl and D or select deselect to deselect the background. Next we are going to unlock the background layer by double clicking on it. Rename it if you want and click OK. Then to reset the background colors to default again, press D on your keyboard so it is not purple anymore. Moving on, I'm going to click on the adjustment layer icon, gradient bar, foreground to background preset, OK, radial, reverse and click OK. Then drag the background layer and place it above the adjustment layer. Now make sure layer 0 is selected because we are going to apply black layer mask on it. So hold down Alt and click on the add a layer mask icon, which is going to add a black filled layer mask. Then select the brush tool and choose a smoke effect brush. If you don't already have this, I'll leave a link to download different brush styles including smoked effect. Make sure foreground color is white. Then apply the smoke effect over the desired areas. You can increase and decrease brush size using left and right square bracket on your keyboard. Keep painting until you are happy. You can also experiment with the color balance by selecting adjustment layer icon, color balance. Play around until you like the result. You can also change the hue saturation too and experiment with it. You can find hue saturation under adjustment layer icon too. So once you are happy with the final result, you can save it. So that is the end of my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also feel free to leave any suggestions for more videos you would like to see.